Okay, so we got the back wheel off. Also a lot in the front is taken off. I got the radiator out. Hopefully so far so good. Just to remember where everything is going back again later. But I managed to hang it up in the air, so it's just to dismantle everything. Okay, so we got the radiator off. We're taking off the sprocket, back wheel, exhaust is off. We're gonna take off the rest soon. Wheel is off, radiator is out, it's over there. Then we need to get the exhaust off. Looking pretty good so far. Maybe we could get the engine off tomorrow. Hopefully this will be an easy job and not difficult. It's probably gonna be fine. So, but lots of things to remember. I'll see you in the next day.